Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right here, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've done this analysis quite a few times before, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. But I like to do the 30-minute. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance easier to see. Another very nice day here for the chart. So from the presentation standpoint, a whole lot of updates here need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is some house cleaning. Get rid of these lines down here. Yes, they still pertain to the chart, but like I said, from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, so we want to try to keep this as clean as possible. First update, though, comes based off, or I should say the first couple of updates come based off a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that do remember the last video I did, hopefully you remember me talking about 955 as a level of resistance, but this would now be considered an area of support. And then near term one right up here about $10 was a level of resistance, but now that the price is above it, you'd ideally want to see it act as support. I say ideally because if you were to say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Yeah, if the price can hold up above 10, that would by far make the chart look the strongest. But I'm not sitting here and saying that if the price drops below 10, that everything's ruined or anything like that. I mean, there's still plenty of other areas of support below you. I mean, and I haven't even touched on until now, the purple line right here, which is the 50-period simple moving average. But at the end of the day, as long as the price keeps on putting in these higher lows like it's been doing, then the long-term chart's going to continue to take care of itself. What about areas of resistance, though? So we've mapped out where these current levels of support. If the move is going to continue, where are some potential battlegrounds at? For this, I'm actually going to change to the daily time frame because we're going to have to go back way far into the chart's history, which is a good problem to have because it has been a long time since the price has been up this high. Actually, I think we have to go to the weekly time frame. Again, very, very good problem to have. Yeah, wow. Price has not been up this high for an extremely long amount of time. There we go. So let's get this out of the way. So next key area of resistance, just first one where the price stepped or, kind of party stopped today right up there about $10.60. After $10.60, next key one up there at about $11.50. So almost in a miniature little blue sky breakout here. But like I said, at the end of the day, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing for the past several weeks, where it just keeps on putting in higher and higher lows, then the stair steps are going to remain in place. And when these stair steps are in place, you can see that the long-term chart is going to continue to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.